It's a fantastic 5-bedroom detached executive home in a great location, very close to Warwick Road. The real benefits of this house is that you're still walking distance to the town, all the amenities, pubs, restaurants and the train station. Let's go and have a look around. I love this kitchen, it's been upgraded, it's really stylish, and I really love the space with the skylight and 2 sets of doors onto the rear deck and rear garden. So we're finishing off in the garden, which is a great space. As you can see, the sun's on my face here, unoverlooked, and you've got a great log cabin there, which also got a toilet. So it's got a multi-use space, big, perfect home office or gym. Thanks for watching.